Have you ever wondered how crucial emergency maintenance is in a work setting? It's the unsung hero of the corporate world, often overlooked until a crisis hits. Its significance lies in its ability to ensure the safety of employees and minimize downtime. Think of it as the firefighter of your establishment, ready to tackle any unexpected issues. But not all tasks are fires waiting to be put out. That's where the crucial difference between emergency and non-emergency maintenance tasks comes in. Correctly identifying and prioritizing them can be the difference between a minor hiccup and a major catastrophe in your operation. So it's clear that effective emergency maintenance is fundamental to the smooth running of any establishment. The first step towards effective emergency maintenance is identifying and understanding the situation. It's crucial to correctly discern between emergency and non-emergency maintenance tasks. Why, you ask? Well, the right identification helps prioritize tasks, ensuring the safety of your employees and minimizing downtime. Think of it as a medical triage. You wouldn't treat a common cold with the same urgency as a heart attack, right? Similarly, a flickering light might not demand the same immediate attention as a malfunctioning boiler. Now, understanding the potential impact of these emergency situations is equally important. Knowing the possible outcomes helps us make swift and precise decisions. Quick and accurate action can prevent minor issues from escalating into major crises that could potentially shut down operations. And let's not forget, the better we understand the situation, the better prepared we are to handle it. This understanding can mean the difference between a minor hiccup in operations and a catastrophic failure. Remember, understanding the situation is half the battle won in emergency maintenance. Prevention is always better than cure, and this holds true for emergency maintenance as well. Just like you wouldn't wait for a fire to break out before installing a fire alarm, you shouldn't wait for a breakdown before implementing preventive maintenance strategies. These strategies could range from regular inspections and equipment checks to replacing worn-out parts before they fail completely. These actions help in averting emergencies and extending the life of your assets. But even with the best preventive measures in place, emergencies can still occur. That's where training and preparation come into play. Regular training sessions ensure that your team is equipped with the knowledge and skills to handle any emergency maintenance situation effectively. These sessions could cover topics like identifying potential issues, prioritizing tasks, and using maintenance software efficiently. Moreover, preparation is not just about training. It involves having a practical tool like an emergency maintenance checklist. This list can guide your team on what to do during an emergency, helping them take swift and precise action. It's like having a roadmap during a turbulent journey. With the right preventive measures and training, you can avoid many emergency maintenance situations. Every emergency maintenance situation has legal aspects that one needs to understand and tools that can make managing these situations easier. It's crucial to comprehend that the law imposes certain obligations on maintenance managers, especially when it comes to ensuring the safety of employees and minimizing potential downtime. Failing to meet these obligations could lead to serious consequences, both legally and financially. But do not panic. Understanding these legal aspects is the first step towards protection from potential liabilities. Now, how can you manage these responsibilities efficiently? This is where Micromain comes into the picture. Micromain CMMS and EAM software are your indispensable allies in the world of emergency maintenance management. These tools help you to identify, prioritize, and track maintenance tasks, making your job a lot more manageable. They allow you to maintain a proactive approach rather than simply reacting to emergencies as they occur. This proactive approach not only ensures compliance with the law, but also extends the life of your assets, saving you both time and money in the long run. With a clear understanding of the legal aspects and the right tools, managing emergency maintenance can become a much easier task. So, we've covered a lot about emergency maintenance today. We've delved into the importance of swift and precise action, the role of preventive strategies in averting crises, and the necessity of thorough training and preparation. We've also touched on the legal aspects, ensuring compliance while managing emergencies. And remember, tools like Micromain's CMMS and EAM software can be a game changer in efficiently tracking and managing maintenance tasks. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into effective maintenance management. Remember, a well-maintained work environment is a safe and efficient one.